I love probability chapter. You know why? Because it means we're on the last chapter of the year, which is always a good thing. So, experiment. An experiment is an activity involving chance. A trial is each repetition or observation of an experiment. The outcome is the result of a probability experiment. An event is a set of one or more outcomes of an experiment. Probability is the measure of how likely an event is to occur. The complement is the set of the outcomes that are not the event. A simple event is an event with a single outcome, and a compound event is two or more simple events. You can look those up on the Illustrated Math Dictionary because there's a lot of them, and I just went through them in like 45 seconds. So, we are going to determine whether each event is impossible, unlikely, as not, likely, or certain. Impossible would be 0%. Unlikely would be anywhere from 1 to 49.99%. Okay? Actually, like anything above 0. So even if it's like 0.01 kind of thing. Because impossible means there's absolutely no chance. Likely is not is 50% exactly. Likely is between 50.0000001, right? So we'll just put 0.1 to 99.9999999, and then certain is 100% certainty. So, rolling an odd number on a number cube. So there are 6 possible outcomes on a number cube. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6 are not odd or even numbers, as we like to call them. I don't know why they put not odd. So anyways, half of the outcomes are odd because we have 3 of 6, which is 1/2. Rolling an odd number is as likely as not. As likely as not. Because it's 3 out of 6 chances, which is 1/2, and 1/2 equals 50%, and we said above that 50% was as likely as not. So if you put each one of them into a fraction, if the fraction's below 50% or below 1/2, it would be unlikely, okay? If you put it into a fraction and it's above 50% but not 100, it would be likely. If it was 0%, it would be impossible, and if it was 100%, it would be certain. Like, a 100% event would be, I'm going to be, 34 on my next birthday at this point. 100% without certainty going to happen. Impossible would be, I'm going to be 21 on my next birthday because I've already been 21. So it's impossible, not going to happen. Which makes me feel real old. A bag contains circular chips that are the same size and weight. There are 8 purple, 4 pink, 8 white, and 2 blue chips in the bag. The probability of drawing a pink chip is 2 out of 11. What is the probability of not drawing a pink chip? So the probability of not drawing a pink chip is the complement of drawing a pink chip. Okay? So, first of all, we need to know the probability of the event happening. Well, the probability of the event is picking pink. You see right here? So the probability of picking pink plus the probability of the complement, which is not pink, is 1, because everything equals 1 when we add it with a probability. Your probability of an event plus the complement has to equal 1, because the probability of an event happening is a certain percentage, and then the probability of the complement happening is the percentage that gets you to 100, which is 1 whole. So we already know from the problem that the probability of drawing a pink was 2/11. Okay? And we know that the probability of drawing a pink plus the probability of not drawing a pink is 1. So we're going to substitute, like we did, 2/11 in for pink, which I got from the problem right there. Now we have a one-step equation. We have this side. The p is our variable, so we look to our constant. It's positive right now, so we're going to subtract 2/11ths because it's being added from both sides. Okay, so we're going to subtract 2/11ths, and when we do that we get 9/11ths, because you can look at 1 as 11 over 11, so they have common denominators, because 11 over 11 equals 1, and then subtract. So the probability of not drawing a pink marble is 9/11ths. Mandy's science teacher almost always introduces a new chapter by conducting an experiment. Mandy's class finished a chapter on Friday. Should Mandy expect the teacher to conduct an experiment next week? Explain. Since the class just finished a chapter, they will be starting a new chapter. It is likely that the teacher will conduct an experiment. Now, the reason it's likely and not certain is because it says almost always. That word almost tells us that it's not 100% going to happen, but it is likely that it will happen. So that's all. Do your check it out. Real easy. Have a good day. Don't be out of sorts because it's almost summer.